This is step 12, converting your measurements. What are the dimensions of your sculpture? This is drawing 14. List the size and size of your sculpture and see page 5. So you flip it over. And drawing 14 has 3 components. So roughly, aka do not use a ruler, draw out the sides of your sculpture. So as I look at my object, I have 6 main sides. I have the bottom, these 2 sides, this side here, and then the top. So I am going to roughly draw out each one of those pieces. I'm not measuring, I'm not spending a ton of time on it. I kind of spun it around. I'm just drawing them out. Look, this is what I, the art teacher, have for my pieces. Once I have roughly drawn out, and then I'm gonna need a long piece that's that top bit, and I'm gonna need a little section cut out. Okay, once I've roughly drawn out the sides of my sculpture, I need to write down the sizes of the sides. So from here, I'm gonna take these measurements and I'm just gonna make this up, and I'll know, here we'll angle this, that this from here to here is gonna be 26 and a half, and then from this to here I'm gonna say is 10. And then that will give me how much. It will let me know once I do this to all of these, how big I need to cut those initial pieces. And then just make sure you're writing down as many pieces as you need to cut out. So this is where I would go and I realize, I gotta cut out this piece here. So I'm gonna need to draw that separate. And then I would be needing a long length, and to make sure I have those measurements. This is just a double check to make sure we aren't forgetting anything.